Hello and welcome back to Joe Duffy Mini. My name is Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you this stunning Mini Cooper hatch 3-door finished in white. This car has 3 doors, white body, white roof, white mirror caps. You have your black trim around the front of the car, LED headlights. Here's a look at the alloys and the side of the car. Absolutely stunning exterior. And then you've got your nice bit of boot space in the back. I'll give you a look inside the car too. Now, as you can see, you've got your multifunctional steering wheel here, your dash, driver's side panel here. You've got your manual transmission, media controls, USB portal for charging phones, your climate controls here, infotainment system, which is touchscreen. Also comes with telephone, Bluetooth audio and other apps, ambient lighting around the infotainment system. You've got your 2 seats in the back for additional passengers, which also comes with ISOFIX. So if you're interested in this car or taking it for a test drive, please contact us at Joe Duffy Mini in Charlestown. Thank you.